Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video we are gonna go through the COVID alert app as released by Health Canada to track the exposure. So this is to protect you and people around you, and also this app respects your privacy because it's not gonna track and use your personal information. So we'll see how it works. So the first thing I have done is like I have gone into my app store and I have searched for this app and I am downloading it in order to install. Okay, it's installed. I opened. As we know that this the official languages in Canada are English and French, so we have two options here. I go ahead with English. So this app can let people know of possible exposure before any symptom appears, and in this way it protects. And it also click on next. It does not track your location, your name, address, your phone contact, your health information of anyone you are near. How it works: this app uses Bluetooth to exchange random codes with nearby phones. Every day it checks a list of random codes from people who tell the app they tested positive. If you have had close contact with one of those people in past 14 days, you will get a notification. So basically, if you are tested positive, you're gonna go and update the app that you have been tested positive. Then your app, when it interacts with other phones, it's gonna let them know, and that is how it's gonna track. Next, it's instructions. Notification enabled. This is not a mandatory question, but I still click on Ontario. Allow. You are all set. So if you are diagnosed with COVID-19, you need to enter your one-time key, and then you should be good to go ahead from there. That is how it works, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.